Time for 96.7 Yes FM Entertainment News.
Well, attention Game of Thrones fans. You know Kit Harington, right? Yeah, one of the stars of that series. Denying claims that he, was cheating on the missus. Her name is Rose Leslie, the Russian model. Yeah, Olga Vlaslova says she had an affair with Harington during his engagement to Leslie. And after they got married, too. They kept going. And he says, that didn't happen. And then Olga says, well, here's the naked picture of you on the bed by a laptop. Oh, whoops. Justin Bieber, Haley Baldwin at the Leafs game on Saturday night. And then what happens? The kiss cam. And guess what happened? They made out. Isn't that sweet? They're newlyweds, you know? Yeah. He grabs her, starts making out in the box there at the Leafs game on Saturday. Thankfully, it's been captured on video, and you can see it for yourself. Right now, YesFM.com, YesFM Facebook, and Twitter page has a link as well.